Once upon a time, in a beautiful village full of excitement, there lived a happy and curious little boy named Abu Bakar. It was a special day for Muslims all over the world. It was time to celebrate Eid al-Adha. Early in the morning, Abu Bakar woke up with a big smile. He put on his new clothes and rushed downstairs. Abu Bakar went to the mosque with his father for a special Eid prayer. He held his father's hand tightly and felt a sense of togetherness with everyone there. When they returned home, something exciting happened. They sacrificed a beautiful white goat outside their house. Abu Bakar watched as his family prepared a big feast with the meat from the goat. There was biryani, kebabs, and yummy curries. But that's not all. Abu Bakar learned that Eid is also about sharing. They divided the meat into 3 parts. One for their family, one for friends and relatives, and one for the poor and needy people. In the evening, Abu Bakar's house was filled with laughter and happiness. Friends and neighbors came over to celebrate. Abu Bakar even got some money as an Eid gift. He couldn't wait to buy toys and share sweets with his friends. As the night fell, Abu Bakar felt grateful for the love and kindness all around him. He whispered, "Eid Mubarak," and knew that Eid was a time for love, sharing food and gifts, being kind to others, and be thankful to Allah for all the blessings. Eid Mubarak to all the little ones out there.